Good evening, friends. In the series of competitive English, day 7, we are continuing with some of the questions. Question number 1 is that, yes, the question is Nisa is more funnier than Natasha. Nisa is more funnier than Natasha. See, two comparatives. More is itself a comparative of many more most, and funny funnier funniest. Funnier is also comparative, so two comparatives cannot be together. So the right answer is Nisa is funnier than Natasha. We can't use two comparatives together. Like you saw, he came more quicker than I expected. It is wrong. The second one you have to change into adverb. He came more quickly than I expected. You can't really, otherwise you say he came quicker than I expected. That is the right answer. So if there are two comparatives and both are adjectives, then the second one either will be adverb or it will be removed. So here the right answer is Nisa is funnier than Natasha. Two comparatives cannot be together. More funnier is wrong. We can't say like a more taller. We will either say taller or we will say the tallest one if it is more than one person. Second question, either Bijay or Bimal are going to be selected. When two, I mean, subjects are connected with either or, neither nor, then the verb will agree to the nearest one. So here nearest means nearest to or. The nearest to or is again singular, Bijay. Therefore Bijay and Bimal, इधर विजय और बिमल. सो द बिमल के बाद जो है आर न लगा करके आपको इज लगाना होगा, बिकॉज बिमल इज सिंगुलर. सेकेंड सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार लगाना होगा. जैसे इधर आई और ही इज कमिंग, ही के साथ इज लगेगा. इधर आई और ही इज कमिंग. इधर मयंक और हिज फ्रेंड्स आर कमिंग, फ्रेंड्स के अनुसार होगा. इधर और में सेकेंड सब्जेक्ट को कंसिडर किया जाता है. Third question, my uncle presented me the more expensive watch. जब भी द लगाएंगे, whenever you use the definite article, then there will be superlative degree, the most expensive. My uncle gifted me or presented me the most expensive watch. Many more most, superlative form. द के बाद तुरंत superlative form आएगा. The most, this is the most beautiful flower I have ever seen. Most beautiful. Many more most. Next question. The two brothers shared the property besides themselves. Beside will be replaced by between themselves. दो के बीच में between लगाया जाता है. Besides का तो मतलब होता है by the side of. It is not right preposition. The right answer is the two brothers shared the property between themselves. टू के लिए between होगा और more than two के लिए among होगा. The office staff members wished each other on New Year's Day. Actually, the office staff members wished one another should be there. Each other is for limited, only two persons, and one another is for more than two. When we are considering a group of people together, that each of us or all of us wished one another, it is the right answer. But if you are considering only two persons, like Raman and Mohan greeted each other, two are there each other, but all the students wished on New Year's Day one another. All, many more than one के लिए one another, only two के लिए each other. Each other is used for two and one another is used for more than two. His speech was broadcasted over the radio. The right answer is broadcast. Broadcast and telecast has the third form, V3 form, the same. Broadcast only. The news was broadcast on television. The discussion was broadcast on television. Or the program was telecast on television. Telecast, broadcast, they have the third form, the same form. So the news was telecast or the news was broadcast. The right answer is broadcast. Broadcasted is wrong, use of verb form. Did their bus come? Did their bus come on time? Did their, T-H-E-I-R. It should not be T-H-E-R. T-H-E-R means adverb of place. Their मतलब वहाँ. और T-H-E-I-R is the pronoun. उनकी बस आई. Did their bus, T-H-E-I-R. come on time. Mayank was working over time for the last 2 weeks. For instance, I have already told that whenever we are referring to period of time or point of time, we will use present perfect continuous or present perfect. So Mayank has been working overtime for the last 2 weeks or for the last 3 weeks. So for and since always refers to period of time or point of time, and therefore we will use present perfect continuous tense. So the right answer is Mayank has been working overtime for the last 2 weeks. Most children are liking ice cream. Most children like. Continuous tense is never used with verbs of perception. Verbs of perception में like होता है, see होता है, watch होता है, prefer होता है. We can't say we are preferring ice cream to any other sweets. We always say we prefer. All verbs of perception, we are remembering, wrong. All verbs of perception are used in simple present form. They are never used in continuous form. We remember these things, we recall these things, we think about you. We do not remember about this thing. We will never use continuous tense with verbs of perception and verbs of measurement. And the last question, supposing if he comes, what should I do? Supposing will be removed because if and supposing is the same. So if he comes, what should I do? Supposing and if are having the same meaning. So either of the two will be used. So better to write if he comes, what should I do? So these are the 10 questions that we discussed today, and we shall continue the series in the next video. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.